Fire. Creator of unique tastes. Meat minced with mincing knife as a product of a culture brewed for centuries. And of course, more. Here, those threaded on the skewer like pearls are what Anatolia has accumulated throughout the history. Union of thousands of pieces to create a culture. This is a miracle. Fire. Here it is, an element creating civilizations. And now, creator of those dazzling tastes originated in Anatolia, the magnificent civilization. Turkish cuisine, the conveyor of a vast culture. Fish, shrimp, octopus, and more. Who else could offer us so many gifts like this? This is a miracle. 7 continents, 4 seas. A limitless world embracing and giving life to all civilizations. A unique harmony featuring all the colors. Like a subculture nurturing above ground. It hides wonderful tastes for us in its fearsome depths. And incredible variety. With precious seafood from all corners of the world. A unique gastronomic experience. Aztecs, Ottomans, Mayans, Zapotecs. Another civilization from Indians to the present. Mexico. Only in such a cuisine, the hot taste can be so sweet like this, and the centuries-long journey of spices could only turn into a journey in such a culture, and through such a food experience. This is a miracle. Like a taste rain, every drop of which has been carefully created. And when combined, it pours over rivers, ground, and ultimately the people bringing it together. Taco, tortilla, quesadilla. This is Mexico. Here, the combination of each ingredient is a unique unity. A perfect blend of what is derived from the soil and living things. Fettuccine, a century-old traditional story. The secret of the tastes created here is hidden in the experiences of the masters who have nurtured a deep-rooted civilization. And of course, in the air, water, soil, and great Mediterranean sun touching each of them. And pizza, the precious of the Mediterranean. A filling coexistence lasting for 200 years among the people and at luxurious gastronomic tables. Pizza dough, tomato sauce, and mozzarella. Everything is more precious with it. And it is precious on every table. Fire, seas, different civilizations, different cultures, and different tastes. And now they are all together around a single table. With joy, pleasure, and affection, this is a miracle.